Well, 28 people have died after two trains derailed in Madhya Pradesh's Hardar district. The mishap happened late on Tuesday night while the trains were actually crossing a small bridge where they derailed near the Machak River. Now, authorities claim there was a flash flood as it had been raining heavily in the area. 6 coaches of the Mumbai-Varanasi Kamyani Express and 3 coaches and the engine of the Jabalpur-Mumbai Janta Express derailed. Over 300 people have been rescued and now search operations are taking place in the surrounding area in case any passengers were washed away by the water. An inquiry has been also ordered into the train accidents and Prime Minister has expressed his anguish over the tragedy. So these are the helplines that you can call on, helplines that we'll have on the screen here. So here's how the accident actually took place on Tuesday night. Remember, the area, the rail tracks were full of water and these two trains were passing over the small bridge and they actually derailed. There was supposed to have been flash floods because of continuous rain, and both these trains actually just derailed. About 30 to 40 people are considered missing. Remember, search operations are almost complete, but they're still looking for people. 28 people have died in this mishap. Saurabh Gupta joins us on the phone line. Saurabh, are search operations completely over now?
Well, rescue and relief operations are almost over, but yes, the major focus of the railways now will be to restore connectivity. This is an important railway route, and the damage that we see to the tracks, in fact, what we've seen at the spot is, the entire section of tracks tilting because there's no ground underneath it. The ground and the ballast that is used to support the tracks has been completely washed away, and that is why this accident took place. Now, once the train derailed, the other train also derailed, and this is a massive accident involving actually two trains that derailed at the same spot simply because the ground below the tracks gave way. The railway minister is expected to be here. People have lost their lives, and at the moment, the railways are saying that they have announced stop the station, but they're waiting for the railway minister also to visit the area, and then of course they read off and see what is going on here. In fact, you can see in the picture, when you see the picture, the railway compartment completely submerged in water, and also the electrical overhead electrical wires also snapped. That is what you can see in the pictures. So clearly, this is something that the railways are going to have to tackle, what the Chief Minister clearly said is that nobody expected such heavy flooding in this area or these flash floods, and of course there wasn't simply enough time to actually tackle with the situation.
Right, Saurabh Gupta there. Thanks very much for joining us. Saurabh Gupta saying that the focus now is to actually have this line clear because it's an important line. Many trains going past this way, but rescue operations almost complete. Saurabh Gupta also spoke to Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister.
A massive tragedy on the tracks in Madhya Pradesh. The Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, Mr. Shivraj Singh Chauhan, himself here to inspect and take stock of the situation. Sir, आप आए यहाँ पे आज काफ़ी सारे लोगों का जान चले गए हैं इस एक्सीडेंट में. प्रिलिमिनरी इन्वेस्टिगेशन से क्या पता चल रहा है, क्या वजह है?
कि जो कुछ हुआ है बहुत दुखद और दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है. रात से ही जैसे समाचार मिला था, प्रदेश की सरकार, जिला प्रशासन और रेलवे के अधिकारी भी सक्रिय हुए. आने जाने के चूँकि रास्ते नहीं थे, सड़क मार्ग बंद था, इसलिए केवल रेल के इंजन में बैठ के ही प्रशासन यहाँ आ पाया. रात में रेल मंत्री से संपर्क करके हमने उनको भी सारी स्थिति बताई थी. अभी जो यहाँ देख रहे हैं, प्रथम दृष्टया जो भयानक बरसात हुई, एक तरह से बादल फटने जैसी जो घटना होती है, उसके कारण अनपेक्षित पानी आ जाता है. मुझे यहाँ जनता ने बताया कि कभी ऐसा नहीं देखा कि इतनी बारिश हुई और